Hi team and welcome back. In this session I'm going to be showing you how to load in a composite product into your Vend one by one. In a later session I'm going to show you how to import that in bulk. But for now, a composite product is a combo product or a bundled product, sometimes people think of it as. It's actually one product that is made up of multiple sub-products. So we sell a bat and ball together, but those are each individual products, but we sell them as a bat and ball as a composite product. Okay, so that's what we're talking about here, and here's how we do it. So to load in a composite product, from our home screen here, we want to click on Products and add a product, like so. So we'll go through the scenario here. I'm in all Blue Jays apparel, and I sell a bat and a ball together. So I'm going to call this product name just the natural language of what we'd want to appear in a receipt, purchase order, or a stock take. Bat and ball combo set, we'll call it. There we go. You notice the product handle automatically populates. Provided that's unique, we don't have any problems. So in here, I'll put in a Blue Jay bat and Blue Jay ball. Great. And we'd upload an image for the bat and ball set if we had a separate image for that. In my tags, I'll type in bat, ball, and maybe set. Here we go. Cool. Now, so if you're not certain, those tags are basically a breakdown of what that product name is, and they're used for searching and for reporting. So if you're not certain, then you can leave them alone. We'll come back to them once we've loaded in the rest of your products. So inside product type, I'm going to put this to bats. Product brand is Blue Jays. Supplier is Bayside Wholesale. Supplier code will be Bay, something like that. Sales account and purchase account, I'll just send them to the default accounting general ledger accounts for now. Under supplier price for this bat and ball combo, it's a sum of what it cost me for a ball and what it cost me for a bat. Depending on whether you actually purchase this as a set, this might not be actually important for you. If you purchase your ball separately and your bat separately and then you assemble the combos to sell in your store, or maybe you don't even attach them, you just let customers pick one of each and say, hey, that's a set, then you don't need to worry about your supplier price in this scenario. You just need to worry about your retail price. If, however, maybe it comes in pre-packaged as a bat and ball set from your supplier, then definitely do worry about the supply price, because this is the price that's used when we need to request this product from a supplier. So it's $40 from the supplier, and we want to sell this bat and ball combo for $89. I'll make that $79. There we go. A bit more affordable for people. Fantastic. Now here's the tricky bit. Instead of standard product, we want to choose composite, like so. Fantastic. So I'm going to need a unique stock keeping unit for this product. So it's fine for this to be the exact same as my supplier code, or maybe my product handle, but it needs to be unique. Importantly, it shouldn't be the barcode from either the bat individually or the ball individually. That's because that'll already be used by the bat and the ball, which are independent products. So if at all unsure, you can stick with the standard one that Vend provides you, the one, whatever's counting up sequentially. You can use the supplier product code, or you can just use the product handle, just as long as it's unique, okay? If your bat and ball come pre-assembled from your supplier, then it might very well have a third barcode on the set anyway, so you can use that if that's the case. Fantastic. Here's where it gets, here's where we start adding in what products make up that set though, okay? So composite products contain specific quantities of one or more standard products. So our first standard product is a bat. I click add, and a ball. Great. One bat, one ball. That's our set. And that's as simple as it needs to be. So what this means is, in this scenario I'm going through now, we're actually not going to be buying this separately. We're going to assume that we're making this set ourselves inside our stores. So, or we're letting customers pick them off the shelves and selling it as a combo price, for example. Bat and ball, ball is cheaper when you buy a bat, that sort of thing. So what this will do, when we go to sell a bat and ball set like this, it'll automatically subtract from stock one bat and one ball, but appear on a receipt, a customer's receipt, one bat and ball set with its unique price, okay? If we didn't do it this way, if we use two standard products here, we would actually need to have two different lines on the customer's receipt, and we'd probably have to provide a discount and have to calculate that each time to say, oh, what's the discount that you get when you buy a bat and a ball? Let's just forget about that part, let Vend do the hard work, create a composite product with two individual items within it, and let Vend take care of the rest. So One bat and ball combo set is one bat and one ball. That's all I'm saying there. What is important at this point is that these products must already exist. If you're going to build composite products, first build the composite parts of it and then tell it what bundles they go together. So if you sell baskets of goods and there's like a gift hamper, make sure you first create all the individual olives and spreads and dips and things that go in that, and then create the basket as such. So once you're finished, click Add Product, and this is the way it should look when you're finished. So if I go back to my products now, you'll see I still have my bat separately, my ball separately, bat and ball separately, but I also have a bat and ball set. And if I click into this, you can see that it is made up of 2 individual products, and I can see how much I have on hand of each. So if I had 6 bats and 12 balls, I can make a maximum of 6 bat and ball sets. All right, so it doesn't hold its own inventory value. It's made up as a function of what you have on hand. So that number there at the top would be the minimum of what you could make out of that, depending on that formula you entered in to say which products made up this composite product. So that is the way composite products are used and why you'd use them. What we covered there was how to add a composite product to your Vend. The difference between a composite product and a standard product is that, unlike a standard product, a composite product doesn't make up its own inventory quantity on hand. It is simply a function of the items that make up that set or that combo or that pack that you sell. So when we're loading that product in, although it appears on a customer's receipt as a single line item, like a single set, it's actually made up of lots of individual products in their own right. So hopefully you found that worthwhile, and I'll see you in the next session.